Spectrum Wi-Fi routers use both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range, making it ideal for older devices or IoT gadgets like thermostats. Spectrum uses band steering to automatically connect devices to the best band. However, you might need to force 2.4 GHz for compatibility or troubleshooting. As of late 2025, while newer standards like Wi-Fi 6E7 and the 6 GHz band are emerging, 2.4 GHz remains relevant for many devices. You may wish to prioritize this band for older devices. It operates on a single channel and handles speeds up to 150 Mbps per sec. Newer Spectrum routers may have the ability to have multiple bands or band steering. To switch to 2.4 GHz, first access your router's admin panel. Connect via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then open a browser and go to http://192.168.1 or spectrum.net/setup. Log in using your credentials. Username is usually admin, and the password is the router's serial number found on the router sticker. In wireless settings, find band steering or smart connect and turn it off to prevent automatic band switching. To create separate SSIDs, enable the 2.4 GHz band, give it a unique name like Spectrum 2.4, choose PA3 security, and select channel 1, 6, or 11. Optionally disable 5 GHz. Save your changes and restart the router for the settings to take effect. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your device to confirm it's connected to the 2.4 GHz network. Spectrum plans to phase out non-Wi-Fi 6 routers by 2027, so consider upgrading if needed.